Hey everyone, so it's a beautiful 70-degree day in February here in South Carolina, so we are hiking Table Rock Trail. So All Trails says that this trail's pretty challenging, pretty big elevation change, and then there's actually a little bit of a scramble at the end, so it should be fun. So we're about a mile in. I would say this is probably one of the harder hikes we've done since being in South Carolina, and probably one of the hardest we've done since being in Washington. Pretty steep uphill, lots of stairs to go up. Compounded by the fact we're not used to the warm weather, although we are grateful that it's very nice and sunny out. We're about halfway to the top. The views are really great, lots of mountainous views, but definitely uphill. I'll have to look up what the elevation change is, but it's pretty steep. So we just stopped at the viewpoint that's probably a little under 2 miles into the hike, and look at this awesome view. Stopping to take a little break at Government Rock after we just climbed. Felt like 100 stairs. Worth it for this great view. Still got a ways to go though. So we actually decided to stop and eat lunch. So we did that for a few minutes, rested, and so now we're gonna head the rest of the way up. We made it to the summit, but we're gonna head a little bit farther because there's a good overlook. Trail, and it's absolutely beautiful. It took us about 2.5 hours to get up here, including stopping for lunch, so hopefully it'll only take about an hour and a half to get down. So some thoughts on Table Rock Trail. Definitely a pretty steep incline, pretty much going uphill the whole way, right until the very end there. So definitely bring some poles, be prepared with water, food, stuff like that. But lots of great views, a lot of fun. I'd heard that there was a scramble, but there really isn't. So don't have to worry about that, but definitely just be prepared for a little bit of a challenge with the uphill. So we're back from our hike. Overall, a great hike on Table Rock Trail in Table Rock State Park here in South Carolina. Really fun challenge with a lot of rewarding scenery. We had a really good time. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.